Welcome to the channel, everyone. My name is Ethan. Today we're going to be checking out the FIFINE AM6T microphone kit. This is the microphone I am currently using. We're going to let you listen to it throughout this video. Tell you everything that you get when you order this microphone kit. We're going to unbox it, show you everything that comes in the box for you. We're going to go through here, I'll let you listen to it, tell you all about it. But if you stick around to the end of the video, we've got a special giveaway for you. So be sure to watch it to the very end. That way you'll know how to enter for a giveaway for a microphone from FIFINE. So now that we've got it unboxed, let's tell you a little bit about the microphone itself. You do get a microphone, of course, when you open the box. You also get a relatively inexpensive mic arm. There's nothing special about the mic arm itself. You know, your run-of-the-mill budget microphone arm with spring tension releases on it. It does not have any cable routing, though you can, as I did, routed the cable through some of the holes on the mic arm itself. On the microphone, you have a touch to mute directly located on the top of the microphone. You have a control knob on the front that will allow you to adjust whether you're hearing more of game sound or chat sound from the microphone in your headphones. Located directly on the bottom of the microphone, you have two buttons, and you also have a 3.5mm jack for a set of headphones. The first button located on the bottom is for noise cancellation. I would not recommend using the noise cancellation feature for the microphone because it distorts the sound quite a bit. The middle button will adjust the RGB on the microphone itself. I have it set to kind of like a blue-pink fading color right now. There are two knobs located directly on the side of the microphone. One is for the gain for the microphone itself. The knob below it is for your headphones. That way you can increase the volume to your headphones itself. As I stated, there is a 3.5mm jack located directly on the bottom of the microphone that will allow you to connect those headphones for that adjustment and for that fine-tuning, and allow you to listen back in real time to any sounds or as you use your microphone. As far as the actual build quality of the microphone, it is a plastic, all plastic body. It does come included with a windscreen to reduce, you know, those S's, P's, sounds like that whenever you're speaking into the mic. I would not recommend this for a podcast because it's a budget microphone, and as you can listen to the sound quality, you'll hear exactly how it sounds. It's what you should expect whenever you're using this microphone. Overall, I mean, it's a relatively decent microphone for the price point of $60. You get a whole nice little kit, and you know, you really can't beat that for the price point. It is a USB microphone, USB type A to type C connection directly on the back of the microphone to plug the USB cord in. The cable that is included for the microphone is about 2 meters or 6.5 feet long, so plenty of distance, so you can set it up pretty much anywhere you want to on your desk. Setup is simple and straightforward. Again, it is a USB type A to type C connection that you plug into the back of the microphone. Simply plug it in and it will be automatically detected by your PC, laptop, or PS4 or PS5, which it is compatible with all of those as well. Again, this is what you should expect from sound quality when listening to this microphone. I will turn on the noise cancellation in just a few moments to give you an idea of what it sounds like with the noise cancellation enabled. The AM6 is a condenser microphone with a cardioid pickup pattern. So if you plan on using this microphone in a room where there's a lot of background noise or ambient noise, I would highly suggest using a noise gate to filter out any background noise, because as a condenser microphone, it does pick up a lot of background noise. So I'll turn off the noise gate that I have on in just a second and allow you to listen to it without me speaking and with any noise that may be going on in the background. So the noise gate is now off, and I'll be quiet for about 5 seconds just to give you an idea of what it sounds like when you're just sitting here idly not making any noise. And that's what you should expect. I'm going to get my wife to say hello in just a few moments. That way, without the noise gate on, just to see how well or how much isolation it does whenever the noise gate is not on. All right, now say hello.
Hello.
Say it one more time.
Hello.
And there we go. This is what you should expect when you're not using a noise gate with the AM6. So we now have the noise cancellation enabled from the button directly located on the bottom of the microphone. We're going to do the same test once again. I'm going to stop speaking for about 5 seconds just to give you an idea of what the ambient room sounds like. There's nothing going on in the background behind me at the moment. And then I'll get my wife to say hello once again after we do that. So let me be quiet for about 5 seconds. And there we go. That's what you should expect with the noise cancellation option enabled. And now I'm going to get my wife to say hello once again. My dear, would you say hello?
Hello.
Do it one more time.
Hello.
And there we go. That's what you can expect when using it with the noise cancellation enabled. You should not expect top tier sound quality from a budget friendly option, because this is what FIFINE is geared towards, is for a budget friendly option for a new streamer. Microphone sound quality, again, is relatively nice. It's not going to knock your socks off with sound quality, but if you're streaming on Twitch, Kick, YouTube, whatever, no one would be able to tell the difference, because the compression is done to videos while live streaming. So as long as you're not peaking, you've got the sound quality set and you've got the gain knob set as it's needed, you should not have any trouble whatsoever when using this microphone. Again, budget friendly option from FIFINE, can't be beat. I mean, they've always been a good quality microphone system, at least in my experience whenever using them. I just want to give a big thanks to FIFINE for providing me with the AM6T for this review video. It was provided free of charge. However, any and all thoughts about this microphone are and always will be my own. Also, a big thanks to them providing me with the FIFINE Amplitank Profile 3 microphone that will be given away. If you want a chance to enter for the giveaway, it is open to US residents only, so keep that in mind. I will leave a link to a tweet on X in the description, also in the pinned comment as well. Go there, like that tweet, comment that you watched the video, and you'll be automatically entered into a giveaway for the Amplitank Profile 3. But anyway, thanks so much for watching. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. And as always, much love, and we'll see you soon.